Hello everyone and welcome back to Cook with Kim. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook okra, which is not slimy, it's tasty and palatable for all to enjoy. So wash, cut and prep your vegetable. It will be a good idea to cut your vegetable in small pieces. So now prepare your vegetables, putting them in orders which has vegetable that will take long to cook first and the one which takes less time to cook last. This will cook the vegetable evenly and give you a balanced texture. I don't cook with a lot of oil, so I will now drizzle a bit of olive oil, roughly around 3 tablespoons. You can put a little bit more oil if you wish to. Put the pan on medium fire. When the oil is ready, add the onion and stir for a few minutes. When the onions start to get soft, add the vegetable in order prepare. So for me, carrots in first. Ensure you keep stirring. Now I'm gonna add the peppers. And then I'm gonna add the tomato puree now, just because I prefer to cook the puree a little bit longer to avoid the sour taste in the mouth. But you can add this later when adding the rest of the flavoring if you want to. It's important to keep stirring so that the vegetable don't start to burn, especially if you add tomato puree. Now add the okra in, stir it, mixing it well with the rest of the vegetable. To stop the vegetable from burning, drizzle a little bit of water, roughly 50 ml. As you are mixing the vegetable, you will start to see the okra release the slime. Mix this well and cover the pan and let this cook for 10 minutes, leaving the remaining vegetable aside for now, and this will be added on later on. Now we can see our vegetables have cooked and have started to get soft. We can see the slime from the okra is almost gone. So at this point, I'm gonna add the rest of the vegetables. So these are the soft vegetables which won't take long to cook. I'm gonna add this on now, and I will not mix it with the rest of the vegetable at this point. I'll just add the seasoning. You might want to add a little bit more seasoning should you wish. If you want to make it spicy, it's entirely up to you. I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will now mix it in with the rest of the vegetable. And at this point, I'm adding 100 milliliters of water, and this will be the right volume for my soup. If you want less soup, add less water. And if you want more soup, add a little bit more water. So basically, as you can see now, this soup is the volume of your soup. After 5 minutes, stir the soup. And if you want your vegetable to be in smaller pieces than these, using a wooden spoon, beat the vegetable down and this will break the sizes into small pieces. Look at that, the vegetable is cooking really well. At this point, you might want to taste your sauce, and if you need to add any seasoning or any more spice, then feel free to do. Cover the pan and let the soup cook for the remaining 10 minutes. So guys, we can see how nicely our soup has cooked. So stir it all very well and voila, our soup is ready to serve. So guys, here's a tasty non-slimy okra soup, which is palatable for all to enjoy with your favorite side dish. Mine is served with my favorite, which is fufu. So enjoy yours with your favorite, and don't forget to comment any feedback, like the video, share with friends and family, especially for our children learning how to cook. Please subscribe to support the channel and click on the notification button so that you can be notified once a new video is uploaded. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye!